My glasses! They're broken! Mommy! He's my daddy!
Where's your mommy, kid?
Mommy! It's Mommy! Mommy, wait! Little
Ms. Mole, what's going on?
Sheriff Labrador, my child is missing!
Little Mole. I saw him getting on the bus just now.
Oh my goodness!
Let's go find him.
Mommy!
This is the last stop, Forest Harbor.
Mommy! Ice cream? Mommy, are you going to buy me some ice cream?
What are you talking about? This is a bathroom.
Bathroom? You're not Mommy!
Oh, my tummy! Oh!
It stinks! Mommy, where are you?
Oh, I need to go.
Little Mole! He's not here.
Not here either.
Are you all right?
Mr. Raccoon, have you seen Little Mole?
Little Mole? He headed to the harbor.
Oh no! He might be in danger! Let's go!
Mommy, where are you? Mommy! No! Don't close!
Doors are closing. Air conditioner on.
So cold!
Little Mole! Let's split up here!
Little Mole!
Little Mole! Little Mole!
Help! Somebody help me!
Huh? Over there! Look at that!
It's Little Mole's back!
Let's go!
I'm so cold.
Oh no! The ship's leaving! Hurry! That's it! Dobie!
Hey!
We need to hurry! Throw me over!
Okay!
Little Mole!
Mr. Dobie!
I'm Sheriff Labrador. Sheriff Labrador's safety talk! Kids, your eyes are very important. Never look at